Hello everyone, in this video I will give an honest review of Emergent AI. So what is Emergent AI? Emergent AI is a next-gen platform that orchestrates AI agents to automatically handle complex enterprise tasks. It analyzes your workflows, assigns tasks to specific AI agents, coordinates their operation, and even enables agents to improve themselves over time. You define your process, and Emergent AI handles the rest. Here's what makes it stand out. Agentic orchestration. Emergent automatically coordinates a web of specialized agents. Using hierarchical planning, self-improving workflows, agents learn and optimize performance continuously. Why enterprise integration? It supports CRM orchestration, CMS unification, analytics automation, and scalable deployment across private clouds or VPCs. Vendor agnostic. You're not locked into one ecosystem. It integrates with various AI tools. And now for the pros and cons. For its pros, it automates complex multi-agent workflows, powerful for large operations. It is scalable and adaptable, capable of handling enterprise-level complexity, and it avoids vendor lock-in and supports integration flexibility. However, it requires significant technical expertise to set up and manage. It's resource and compute intensive. Be prepared for robust infrastructure needs. It has longer implementation timelines. Setup and integration take more effort than simpler AI tools. While enterprise level reviews are still emerging, early ratings suggest it's highly promising with top notch scores on functionality, scalability, and support. Deployment for complex workflows seem to be its sweet spot. Just be sure to walk in with a strong technical roadmap. So is emergent AI worth exploring in 2025? Yes, if your business needs an advanced automated orchestration of AI agents and you have the technical infrastructure to support it. If you're looking for plug and play simplicity or have limited cloud resources, then maybe it's not for you. And that's been its honest review of Emergent AI.